Most phones are iterative upgrades, but the OnePlus 15 is a revolutionary one that sets a new record for battery life performance, more AI features, and a new chipset that ushers in a new era for mobile gaming with its 165Hz display. Getting all these in a flagship that's still under $900 is unbelievable. OnePlus doesn't want to wait until the upcoming new year to launch its flagship like in previous years. Instead, the company wants to see 2025 out with a bang before the year's over with the launch of the OnePlus 15. For the last two generations, OnePlus has managed to narrow the divide between its flagship model and all the best phones out there by undercutting its rivals on price. Both the Pixel 10 Pro XL and iPhone 17 Pro Max still cost over $1,000, so there is a huge opportunity here. The OnePlus 15 continues that philosophy, but more importantly, it feels like a completely different phone from everything else I have tested this year. That's because this Android phone doesn't just move the needle by a little, it shatters records. I've been testing out the OnePlus 15 for over a week now, and it really is the new phone to beat. Here is why. OnePlus has made great strides the last couple of generations around its camera performance, and the OnePlus 15 is no exception. This year's arrangement consists of a 50 megapixel main shooter, 50 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50 megapixel telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom. There is a 32 megapixel selfie camera around the front that finishes the package. This all might look familiar as the OnePlus 13 also features a 50 megapixel triple camera system, but there are differences. For example, the main camera now uses a Sony IMX906 sensor, while the telephoto uses a JN5 sensor in a WS-style periscope design. Paired with OnePlus Detail Max engine that effectively enhances the performance of the cameras, it gives many of the best camera phones a good run for their money. Besides the hardware, there is a lot I love about the camera app. Not only does it have all the shooting modes I crave as an enthusiast, like dual view video for side-by-side simultaneously, video recording using two cameras and a pro video mode, but there is also the ability to shoot 8K video and 4K 120fps natively. Here are some camera samples of the new OnePlus 15. In years past, OnePlus flagship has always finished behind Apple, Samsung, and Google, but that changes in a big way with the OnePlus 15. It's not just an iterative update, it's a substantial one that's more satisfying than anything else it's released. One thing's for sure, its new battery tech proves that phones can last longer than just a single day, considering how we have all become complacent with 1 day battery life. It's unbelievable that I can get more than 2 days out of a phone again, which is something I haven't seen since the old flip phone days of the early 2000s. But of course, it all falls back on the never settle philosophy. The OnePlus certainly continues that here. Not only does it undercut its rivals on price, which I hope it remains at $899 but it's backed with a new software experience complete with AI features that boost the experience. I just can't believe that the best phone to come out this year waited until now to be released, but it's worth the wait.